Out of nowhere, Barack Obama, this topic is trending all of a sudden. And here is $69,000 in passive affiliate commissions on one of my Warrior Plus accounts. Now I'm showing you this random screenshot because I'm going to break down how Barack Obama is related to this and how we turn articles about hot topics like Barack Obama into videos literally for free and use those videos to make money from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook by working only one time using 3 to 5 minutes of our time. And this is so easy that anyone can do it from anywhere in the world using our artificial intelligence software Epic, and Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it right now. Now let me break down everything to you, plus the 2 secrets without which making money online in this method will be very hard, and show you how to use these 2 parameters to literally print cash on demand using nothing but your computer, the internet, and our free to start artificial intelligence software Epic. Let's begin. Before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, because everyone needs to learn how to make money online, and by sharing this video with them, you are helping them learn what you are about to learn here. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. Basically, this is our fundamental of making money online. We help others with the information they're looking for, and in most of the cases, the information is 100% free, just like all the information about Barack Obama is free. Done? Before we go straight to the strategy, let me show you how Epic works, and stay tuned because you will also learn how we turn articles into videos, because this technology and technique will be the most important technique in this video. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes a script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open, and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just 1 click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in 1 click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in 1 click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready story in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build that gets us thousands of clicks. So we focus on what people are looking for, what they are interested in, and what questions they're asking on the internet. And one of our go-to places is Google News. Not only we learn what's happening in the world, but also we learn what people are interested in. For an example, out of nowhere, CNN published this article, or you can say news. They are saying Obama quips about infamous tan suit during portrait unveiling. Well, honestly, in this situation of the world where poors are getting poorer, rich are getting richer, and people are trying to get their answers why they are getting poorer and poorer, why the tax is high, debts are high, charges are high, salaries are low, who cares about an ex-president quips about infamous tan suit during portrait unveiling? The answer is right here. In order to check the trend about Barack Obama, I came to Google Trend and I found the trend is rising and I have no way to know why. And the good news is I don't need to know why. All I need to know what is happening. And I see there are questions about Obama net worth 2020, Zelensky, Obama national parks, Betty Ford, etc. These are Obama related topics. These topics are trending. So I went to YouTube and I searched with Obama net worth 2022. And look what I found. Only one video 4 months ago got 715,000 views. Remaining videos are 2 years ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago, but they are very low numbers of views. It means people are not yet searching on YouTube, but there is a trend of searching Obama net worth 2022. It means it's coming. And when this Barack Obama topic is at the peak, CNN and other websites like this want to be on top of searches. They want to get all the traffic. So the secret sauce here is to keep an eye on Google Trend, have fun browsing around with trending topics and what these big websites are publishing, how much traffic they're getting, and use those trending topics and make videos around them. And of course, you can turn any article into video using the power of Epic. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. You can use AI, any AI software, to write a complete article, including the one we have and we use. Link is in the description, go grab it. Or you can write your own or copy your own, do whatever you want. You can turn any article into video and then publish that video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook before that trend is at the peak. When everybody will search about the topic, you will be there. Your content will be there. And in all your contents, your affiliate links will be there. People will click your links because they love your content. And yes, I'm considering you will tell the truth about what's going on in your topic, in your articles, and in your videos. So let me reveal the first secret. Clicks. People click on affiliate links and buy, and we make affiliate commissions. Now, how do you make more money? In order to make more money, you need to get more clicks. But at the same time, you should publish helpful, informative, educational, entertaining, and trending topics in your videos and your contents so people trust you more and buy more from you. And the second secret is revealed. It's called hop conversion. More people love you and like your content, more people will buy from you. Here, the conversion is 9%, which means out of 100 people, 9 people purchased. If the conversion was 11%, then out of 11 people would purchase. It totally depends on how much your audience trust you, how much you build rapport with your audience. And you can do it only by telling the truth. Tell them what's going on in the world, what's the truth, what they should do, what they should avoid. Give them good advice. And people will trust you and they will love you. More people will buy from you, more money you will make. It is the same exact way we are telling you the truth in these videos. Make sense? Now your next question might be, how can you make a lot more money? The answer is create more content. Epic takes care of all the hard work from you. You don't need to make videos using cameras and microphones. All you need to do is to have fun. Enjoy browsing. Enjoy knowing and learning what's going on in the world. Even enjoy YouTube videos and talk about the trending videos. Talk about Mr. Beast video. Talk about Mr. Who's the Boss video. Talk about iPhone 14 that's coming. What do you think about it? What others are thinking about it? All the questions people have about iPhone 14. Talk about those topics. Give them good information and right information. Literally, you have unlimited content idea that people want to hear. Make them using Epic and publish them on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and get all the people click your links, buy from you, and you are the one making money. And if you have zero idea about how affiliate marketing works, it's simple. Grab your affiliate link. Go search on Google how to get my affiliate link on Warrior Plus, or on JVZoo, or on ClickBank, and you will find hundreds of articles, videos. Grab your affiliate link and put your affiliate link in the description of your videos. You see in my videos, these are the links, not affiliate links. They are my products links, but these are the links. It could be your affiliate link or your website link. And tell your audience that they should click the links in the description of your videos in case they are looking for a better solution about something else. They will click and they will buy. That's it. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, so others also learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is the top secret how we make money online. We share valuable information 100% free, just like this video. We even give away our softwares free to start. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.